Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can attach a URL attachment on a Snap or Snapchat. So let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now take a snap. After that, tap on the paperclip icon. Here, enter the website you want to attach. After that, tap on the go button. Now, you will see your attached to snap icon. Tap on it. And that's it. This is how you can insert a URL of a page on Snap or Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.